Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the Hytera TC508 and our most popular earpieces for this radio. First I have the G-Hook, which can easily be worn on the right or the left. It has a nice swivel piece, so it's really comfortable to wear all day. And the second option I have is the two-wire surveillance earpiece kit. One wire has the earpiece portion of it, and the second wire has the push-to-talk button and the microphone. Both of these earpiece options have the TC700 earpiece connector. This goes with the TC508. So on this side of the radio, there's a cover on it, so you can open that. The wire has to be facing upwards. This connector has a 2-pin connection with a screw, so you'll have to engage it with the radio. Then you can screw in clockwise, and you're good to go. If you share this radio with multiple people throughout the day, I actually recommend using the two-wire surveillance earpiece kit just because you don't want to keep unscrewing this portion of it. You could start to strip the radio. So I recommend using the two-wire surveillance earpiece kit because you can very easily take the audio tube off so each person can have their own audio tube and no one's sharing that part. To get this radio and these accessories, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.